Breaking news right now at 10. The Supreme Court is reportedly poised to eliminate the constitutional right to an abortion. We have brand new video just into the KENS 5 newsroom from outside the Supreme Court. We're seeing barricades up and crowds of protesters growing by the minute. This is all because of a draft opinion obtained by Politico showing the court is set to overturn Roe v. Wade. Let's bring in KENS 5 reporter Matt Houston. Matt, what can you tell us?
Yeah, Sharon, this is all based off of a document circulated in February and obtained tonight by, as you mentioned, Politico. Draft rulings are just that, drafts. So none of this is final, though it's really hard to ignore the language and tenor from Justice Samuel Alito in the draft majority opinion. He writes, Roe was egregiously wrong from the start. Its reasoning was exceptionally weak, and the decision has had damaging consequences. Far from bringing about a national settlement of the abortion issue, Roe inflamed debate and deepened its division. That's part of the 98-page draft. Again, not official, though advocates on both sides of the abortion debate have long believed a similar decision was coming. Texas lawmakers were so confident, in fact, they passed what's called a trigger ban last year. If Roe is overturned, abortion would become flatly illegal, a felony in Texas 30 days later. It would not include exceptions for rape or incest. Doctors could be fined $100,000 for performing an abortion. That ruling would also make any debate about Texas's fetal heartbeat abortion ban, also passed last year, largely moot. That would have limited abortions in most cases to about 6 weeks into a pregnancy. This is an outright ban if the draft opinion reflects that justices have made up their minds and reflects their decision. Planned Parenthood, where we are tonight, says facilities like this one will stay open. They are emphasizing that this is a draft. This is not final. So the constitutional right to an abortion is the law of the land, but obviously lots to watch for here in the coming months. A decision has always been expected sometime this summer, and more to watch in Washington, D.C. as protesters continue to gather around the Capitol and the Supreme Court building. For now on the Northwest side, I'm Matt Houston, KENS 5.
Matt, thank you. Political heavyweights in Texas are weighing in on this breaking news right now. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton just tweeted, I hope that hashtag SCOTUS returns the question of abortion where it belongs, the states. He goes on to say, I'll continue to ensure that Texas protects the unborn and pray for the end of abortion across our nation. Hashtag pro-life. Beto O'Rourke says every woman deserves the freedom to make their own decisions about their body, health care, and future. We did reach out to Governor Greg Abbott's office, and we're waiting for his response. We'll bring it to you as soon as we get it. We are following the story closely on KENS5.com. You can get updates there around the clock.